This is a short training video on the Have a Go 2D animation kit. This kit is used for training students on the basics of stop-go animation. This type of animation is used extensively in the creative media industries for various types of animation. This is how the kit will arrive with you. It is only sent out to our partners after being checked that it's fully working. Here we can see exactly what's included in the kit. MacBook with power lead, Dragon frame controller, camera with power lead in transport bag with inserted memory card, USB lead for the camera, 2 LED desk lamps, rostrum stand with attached whiteboard, camera battery charger and 2 spare batteries, assorted whiteboard pens in a pencil case, assorted box of magnets with a separate magnetic board, and a whiteboard cleaner and spray. Let's look at how to go about setting up the kit. Once everything has been unboxed, firstly place the rostrum board onto a flat surface and then attach the rostrum arm to the board by tightening the screws finger tight to hold the arm in place. The mains adapter for the camera should come attached to the camera in the box. Firstly, just check that that is the case. Then we will be attaching the camera to the rostrum arm. This is accomplished by screwing the bolt into the base of the camera. Again, only finger tight to hold the camera securely. Take off the lens cover from the camera. Next, we will be setting up the MacBook. Once this is booted up, add in the Dragon frame controller to the MacBook using the attached USB lead. Next, we will be attaching the USB lead from the camera to the MacBook. The port for the camera can be found here. Then turn on the power switch on the camera. A pop-up may appear on the MacBook that you can close. Now launch the software that we will need to create a short animation. This is the Dragon logo at the bottom of the screen. Double click on this, then click New Animation. Choose a file name to save and click OK. We are now able to start filming a short animation. Now that the kit is set up and ready to use, we can look at undertaking an activity. Everything you need to do a basic animation is controlled via the Dragon frame controller. Firstly, make sure that the camera is in focus and that the whiteboard is in frame. This is accomplished by twisting the camera lens or moving the camera up and down on the rostrum arm, like so. Draw something or place a magnet on the whiteboard for the first frame that you will be taking a picture of. Once you are happy with this first picture, click the Enter button on the Dragon frame controller to take the first picture. If you are not happy with this picture, you can delete it by pressing the X button on the controller. Once the first picture has been taken, the next stage is to add or slightly alter the next frame of the animation. So either add something to the drawing or move the fridge magnet before taking the next picture. Again, do this by pressing the Enter key on the controller. Keep doing this until you have enough frames to make a short animation. You can review the animation at any time by pressing the play button on the controller. If you're doing multiple videos with different pupils at a careers event, the easiest way to reset for the next pupil is to simply hit the delete button until the software is back to the start with no frames recorded. If there is no display on the screen of the laptop, please ensure that the lens cap is removed and the USB cable from the camera to the MacBook are both properly connected. Occasionally, if the equipment has been stored in a very cold environment, the plugged-in power pack to the camera can take a while before it will function properly. If this happens, the best option is to use the included spare batteries until the camera power pack has warmed up. If there are any issues with the equipment that are not detailed, please contact the Have a Go team on 01554 748 101 who will be happy to help.